A brief summary for you. This one is the lightest. These three editions are significantly heavier. 大家好啊，今次會分享一下 Cica 慢下來系列嘅抽盒手感。Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you about the shaking tips of Cica Take It Slow series. 喺影片開頭曾經提及過，有一款係特別輕，就係去草地走走啦。佢上下搖有空間，四面搖嘅空間唔大。The lightest one is the walking in the middle. There is significant movement when you shake the box vertically and only little space when you shake laterally. 5後牧場呢一款有塑料殼保護，所以我哋搖嘅時候會感覺到公仔同塑料殼互相碰撞產生嘅鬆動感。呢一套我最欣賞嘅地方，除咗融入咗大自然同埋動物嘅元素，仲加入咗迷你 Cica。Since the afternoon at the ranch is protected by plastic case, the figure collides against it with slight looseness. 跟緊隊伍呢一款嘅亮點係佢頭頂嘅指示牌同埋嗰幾隻雀仔都係磁吸㗎。For the lineup, there's no movement when you shake the box in all directions. The accessories feature magnetic attachment. 沙灘遊戲呢一款佢有泡沫保護，所以搖嘅時候六面都搖唔喐。The building sandcastles is protected by foam wrap, so there's no movement when you shake the box in all directions. 稻草人呢款同樣都係整體偏滿，路面嘅晃動空間好少。佢手上面拎住嘅迷你 Cica 係可以拆卸嘅。The scarecrow is quite full as well. There is only minimal movement when you shake the box in all directions. 吹浪花呢一款上下搖嘅時候空間大而且有打壓感，四面都有晃動嘅空間。The blowing waves collide with the box strongly when you shake it vertically, and there's significant movement when you shake it in all directions. 打鬧的精靈呢一款係另一個有塑料殼保護嘅公仔，佢四面搖唔喐，上下有少少嘅晃動空間。The playful sprite is another one with protection case. There's no movement when you shake the box laterally, and only little movement when you shake it vertically. 我非常之中意陽風輕吻臉盒呢一款，除咗配色好柔和之外，兩個迷你 Cica 就好似小天使咁，錫錫兩邊嘅面珠仔，中間嘅 Cica 面都紅晒啦。呢一款整體偏滿，六面嘅空間少。The wind's kiss is quite full. There's only minimal movement when you shake the box in all directions. 野營的夜晚呢一款係中等偏重嘅，上下嘅空間細，四面搖會有打壓感。The camping night is medium heavy. There's only minimal movement when you shake the box vertically. The figure collides with the box when you shake it laterally. 一拎上手特別重嘅款有3個，掠晒衣服呢一款係用咗雙層下包裝，路面搖只有少少嘅晃動空間。The drying clothes is very heavy. The box is double layered. There's only minimal movement when you shake it in all directions. 賴在雲裏同佢差唔多重，輕按盒嘅四面我哋能夠摸到鼓鼓地㗎，就係佢嚿雲啦。Lying in the cloud is light as well.When you apply light pressure around the box, you can detach the cloud. 全系列最重嘅係護住水源，佢都係雙層盒㗎，上下搖嘅時候會有少少鬆動感，前後搖唔喐，左右晃動會有空間。Protecting the water is the heaviest one. The box is double layered too. There's only minimal movement when you shake it vertically. No space in the front-back direction, but some space in the left-right one.隱藏款向日葵嘅設計都幾有特色，唔知大家中唔中意呢一套 Cica 呢？歡迎留言話俾我聽。The secret is named as the sunflower. Please feel free to click the link in the comments if you want to know more about it. Thank you so much.